Does your room feel sticky even when the AC is running?
The temperature may look normal, but you still feel sweaty. The air feels heavy, and sometimes even breathing feels uncomfortable. That happens because temperature is only part of comfort. Humidity matters too. You may have noticed weather websites showing a feels-like temperature. When humidity is high, sweat cannot evaporate properly, so your body can feel hotter than the actual temperature. This is where dry mode on Mitsubishi air conditioner can help to remove humidity. Cool mode mainly lowers the temperature. Dry mode mainly removes extra moisture from the air, making the room feel fresher, less sticky, and more comfortable. To activate it on most Mitsubishi AC remotes, turn on the AC, then press the mode button multiple times until you see the water droplet icon. Now, remember one simple rule. Hot room, use cool mode. The temperature is normal, but the air feels uncomfortable, use dry mode. Dry mode works best during rainy weather, humid nights, monsoon season, or in coastal areas. It may cool the room slightly, but strong cooling is not its main purpose. Unlike fan mode, dry mode uses the compressor and cold indoor coil. Moisture condenses on the coil and then drains away through the AC's drain pipe. You may notice slower fan speed. That is usually normal because slower airflow helps remove moisture. On many Mitsubishi models, fan speed is automatic, so the fan speed button may not respond. Some Mitsubishi air conditioners allow temperature adjustment, while others control everything automatically. If the temperature buttons stop responding in dry mode, your remote is probably not broken. Dry mode may also save electricity when the room is humid, but not very hot. However, using it in a very hot room can make the AC run longer without cooling you properly. Dry mode does not create mold by itself. Musty smells are usually caused by dirty filters, dirty coils, blocked drainage, or moisture remaining inside the unit. Clean the filters first. If the smell continues, the indoor coil may need cleaning. I've linked an example of a foaming coil cleaner in the description, but keep it away from electrical parts. To check whether dry mode is actually helping, use a small digital thermometer and hygrometer. It shows both temperature and humidity. For many people, around 30 to 50% humidity feels comfortable, and indoor humidity should generally remain below 60%. If humidity stays high, first identify where the moisture is coming from. If it comes from a bathroom, kitchen, or laundry drying indoors, use an exhaust fan or briefly ventilate the room when the outdoor air is drier. But if the outdoor air is already hot and humid, keep the windows closed while the AC is running. Seal unnecessary door and window gaps so humid air does not keep entering. Weather stripping and moisture absorber packs may help with smaller problem areas. But if windows keep fogging, walls feel damp, or the musty smell repeatedly returns, dry mode may not be enough.
Dry mode is for light humidity and everyday comfort. A dehumidifier is better for basements, storage rooms, coastal locations, and heavy monsoon humidity. So remember, hot room, cool mode. Sticky room, dry mode. Constant dampness, find the moisture source and consider a dehumidifier.
Check the description for humidity meters, coil cleaners, moisture absorbers, dehumidifiers, and other products that may help with your situation. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AC tips, error fixes, and energy-saving guides.